today I'm taking on the challenge to add 14 years to my lifespan. And I will do this by following these crazy tips and tricks that I found online. I've always been interested in longevity, but I never thought I could extend my life by 14 years. That's equivalent to almost 1.5 decades. It's insane. So the first tip is to drink a gallon of water every single day. That's 3,785 milliliters. I'm also gonna be getting regular massages because apparently that can increase your lifespan by 5 years. And I found this weird trick where if you put a spoon in your ear, it can help unclog your arteries and help you live longer. I'm not sure about this one, guys. I'm also gonna start drinking green tea because it has antioxidants that can help you live longer. And apparently if you eat a bunch of blueberries, it can help with brain fog and memory loss. I'm also gonna take cold showers because apparently the cold temperature can help you live longer. And I'm gonna start doing yoga to reduce stress and anxiety, which can also help you live longer.